Say cheese! Today we're taking a look at one of my favorite new versatile little tripods. This is an extendable selfie stick tripod from Kamisafee. It comes with the tripod, a wireless remote, and a phone mount. Now before we continue, I've been a filmmaker for about 15 years. I've used cheap tripods and I've used multiple $1,000 tripods. My goal is always to find the most bang for your buck and find something that does everything I need while not breaking the bank. Or your camera. Now I found just that. Although you might not be using this tripod for your high-end DSLRs, this tripod is just perfect for any pocket camera or phone. It has a 5-section telescoping stick that allows it to be extended from 17.5 inches to 62.5 inches. Just unsnap and lift to your desired height, then lock in place. No need to crank and tighten down knobs. The tripod head is really cool too. It's combined with a 180-degree neck rotation and a 360-degree head rotation. Unlike other tripods, you don't have to take off the tripod head to adjust. If you need to adjust the camera a bit, you just unscrew it, turn it, and lock it back down. This makes adjustment super easy and quick. This little tripod is so versatile. It can extend to such a tall height and collapse down to nothing, just like that. It's pretty sturdy and has opened up a whole new world of shots for me. I'll show you some of those in a future video. But for now, I've been using this tripod every day. I've been using it for commercial shoots, vlogs, and my favorite, time lapses. I've been finding really cool angles and leaving my camera for hours. Even on windy days, it's still holding strong, unsupervised. You can also collapse the stand down and use it as an extendable selfie stick. Now, I don't do selfies, but my dogs do, so I let them try it out. To connect the wireless remote, turn the switch on the side to on, then connect your phone via Bluetooth. Now hit that photo button and your dogs are ready to take some selfies. I can't wait to use this tripod more and see what other creative shots I can come up with. I have a few ideas for the extendable selfie stick in the future, but I'm not quite ready for that yet. So expect another video about that in the near future. If you'd like to get one for yourself and improve your selfie game, then the 62-inch extendable tripod from Kamisafee might just be for you. There will be an affiliate link in the description below to purchase today. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any more. Till next time, I'm off to go do some more time lapses with my new tripod. See ya!